Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the strangest, most terrifying, and most mysterious birds on Earth. At first glance, this creature does not even look real. Many people say it looks like a living dinosaur that somehow survived millions of years. This incredible bird is called the shoebill. The shoebill is famous for its giant shoe-shaped beak, which is where its name comes from. But its appearance is only the beginning. What truly makes this bird shocking is the way it hunts, the way it stares at people, and the strange behavior that makes it look almost unreal. One of the creepiest things about the shoebill is how still it can remain. This bird can stand completely motionless for hours, waiting silently for the perfect moment to attack. It looks less like a bird and more like a statue. But the second it sees prey, it strikes with lightning speed. Its massive beak is incredibly powerful. The shoebill can crush large fish in seconds and swallow prey whole. But fish are not the only animals it eats. This terrifying bird has been seen attacking snakes, frogs, baby crocodiles, and even other birds. Some people were shocked to discover that a bird could hunt animals usually feared by humans. Another reason why the shoebill became famous all over the internet is its stare. People say the bird looks directly into your soul. Unlike most birds that quickly look away, the shoebill keeps staring without fear. Its eyes and expression make many people uncomfortable because it almost looks human. The sounds it makes are also unbelievable. Instead of singing like normal birds, the shoebill creates loud machine gun-like noises by clapping its beak together. The sound echoes through the swamp and surprises anyone hearing it for the first time. This bird is also enormous. A fully grown shoebill can reach around 5 feet tall, making it taller than some children. Its wingspan can stretch over 8 feet wide. When it opens its wings, it looks like a creature from a prehistoric world. Scientists believe the shoebill carries ancient features from birds that lived millions of years ago. That is why many people call it the dinosaur bird. Looking at it feels like looking back in time. Even shoebill chicks have a brutal life. The mother usually lays 2 eggs, but often only one chick survives. The stronger chick dominates the weaker one, and the parents focus on raising the strongest baby. Nature can be beautiful, but also incredibly harsh. Despite looking terrifying, shoebills are very intelligent and calm animals. In some wildlife parks, they've even bowed their heads slightly toward humans, making people think they understand respect or greetings. Videos of these moments have gone viral and gained millions of views online. Today, the shoebill remains one of the rarest and most mysterious birds in the world. Many people dream of seeing one in real life, because pictures and videos do not fully capture how strange and powerful this bird truly looks. So what do you think? Is the shoebill the scariest bird on Earth? Or is it one of nature's greatest wonders? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering shocking and unbelievable animals from around the world, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing content.